Hello guys, Noah here and welcome to the 6th Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about the verb to be in Kiluba. To be in Kiluba means kwikala. The verb kwikala has many forms and today we are going to talk about the verb kwikala in its form kui or kui. So let's get right into it. To say I am, we say ne. Ne comes from the contraction of nahi. Instead of saying nahi, we say ne, which means I am. You are means we. Instead of saying uhi, we contract and we say we. To say he is, we say he. To say we are, we say tui. Tui comes from the contraction of to e. Instead of saying to he, we say tui, which means we are. To say you are, we say mui. Mui comes from the contraction of muhi. Instead of saying muhi, we say mui. And finally we have they are, which means he. We are going to repeat one more time. Ne means I am, we means you are, he means he is, tui means we are, mui means you are, he means they are. Let's do it one more time. Ne, I am, we, you are, he is, tui, we are, mui, you are, he, they are. Let's do some practical examples. This form of verb kwikala is used in general to indicate a permanent state of a being or a thing which does not change easily. For example, to say I am a man, we say ne muntu. The state of being a man, it is a permanent state. It cannot be easily changed. If you are a man, you are a man and you have been a man since you were born, and that is not going to change anytime soon. So in that kind of situation, we can use the verb to be in its form kui. We say ne muntu because being a man does not change. It is a permanent state. The second example is we kidishitu, which means you are the Christ, which is also a permanent state of being. The third example is I leza, which means he is God. God stays God and he does not change. The next example is tui bana babwanga, we are disciples. The next one is mui bene Katanga, you are from Katanga. The next one is bana ibetu, which means the children are ours. The next one is ibantu, which means they are men. We are going to revise one more time. Nemuntu means I am a man. Wikidishitu means you are the Christ. Ileza means he is God. Tuibana babwanga means we are disciples. Mui bene Katanga means you are from Katanga. Bana ibetu means the children are ours. Ibantu means they are men. Thanks guys, that's it for today, and we are going to come back in the next video with some more Kiluba. Thanks for watching and please subscribe, and you can also check my other social profiles from the link below. Thank you. Bye.